The heated death penalty debate is gaining more steam as the number of signatures on a petition continues to increase. That petition has been circulating for about a week now, and it aims to put the death penalty in front of Nebraska voters in 2016. Good evening, I'm Craig DeGrelli.
And I'm Jennifer Griswold. Supporters of capital punishment are fighting to keep it alive in our state, but opponents believe lawmakers did the right thing. Senior reporter Jake Wazakowski is live with the details. Jake?
Jen and Craig, the coalition called Nebraskans for Public Safety forms to show others that there is public support for the repeal, and it's for varying reasons.
All indications are we're off to an extremely fast start.
The group looking to put capital punishment to a vote, Nebraskans for the death penalty, are already gathering signatures before their August 27th deadline. On May 27th, Nebraska lawmakers voted to override the governor's veto.
So what people are doing is exercising their right to be heard. And so what we're doing is we're trying to give the citizens the right.
But a new coalition has formed to oppose the push to reinstate the death penalty. Nebraskans for Public Safety is a statewide effort by people and groups including the ACLU, Nebraska Innocence Project, faith and conservative leaders.
It was a bipartisan decision, and it really was. And I think there was a lot of misinformation out there that Nebraskans weren't being represented, and this isn't what they really want.
Brian Bumgard is the former Douglas County Republican chairman. He says they want to educate people about the state's broken system.
They can argue that the risk is small, and when innocent people die, it's acceptable collateral damage to them, but they can't argue that there's no chance that innocent people will die. And for me, that's just not acceptable.
The group also includes retired Sarpy County District Court Judge Ronald Reagan, who was on the panel that sentenced John Joubert to death. He says, in his experience, capital punishment was never a deterrent.
When they're predisposed to commit murder or committed out of some heat of the passion moment, they think they have absolutely no thought that they'll ever be apprehended or punished.
Nebraskans for Public Safety says they're recruiting volunteers on their website to educate people and make sure the people on the other side are properly collecting petition signatures. Now, the death penalty advocates will need more than 56,000 signatures to get the issue on the November 2016 ballot. Reporting live in the News Center, Jake Wazakowski, KMTV Action 3 News.
Here's some background as well. Just one day after lawmakers overrode Governor Pete Ricketts' veto last month, Nebraska Attorney General Doug Peterson announced he's challenging lawmakers. His office says they cannot change the sentences of the 10 men currently on death row in Nebraska. Only the Board of Pardons can do that. Senator Bo McCoy also formed a group to try to suspend the new law or get a constitutional amendment on the ballot.